This is an extinct amphibian na Jurassic or dinosaur era pa. This is also a secret box kung saan kailan mong hanapin at buksan yung secret compartment niya sa loob. Now, one of the distinct features of this amphibian is that mabilis tong kumilos sa water and sa land. So, how to open this? So first, nakita niyo tong legs na to, itong front legs, you can push that, pero hindi todo kasi hindi mo maangat yung head. So you have to find the correct position ng leg, not push all the way through hanggang sa maangat mo na yung head. Next, itong leg na to, you push it again inwards, in my case, sa right ko. At pag na-push mo na yan, mahahatak mo na yung tail, which also happens to be the secret compartment. At makikita nyo na yung secret compartment. Kung napansin nyo, di ba sabi ko kanina, one of the distinct features of this amphibian is mabilis siya kumilos, which was depicted through the secret box.